Typical day at school. My name is Lucas. I woke up at 6:30 every morning. I didn't feel sleepy, so I got out of bed quickly. I ate breakfast with my family. My mom cooked eggs and toast. She didn't rush, she took her time. After breakfast, I packed my backpack. My friend waited for me at the gate. He didn't forget his books or homework. Sometimes he arrived early, sometimes he didn't. That day, he arrived right on time. We walked to school together. He rode his bike sometimes, but that day he didn't. He said he couldn't ride his bike because the tire was flat. When we got to school, we saw Maria. She studied hard every day. She didn't miss classes, and she always helped her classmates.
Did she like math?
Yes, she did.
Didn't she find it difficult?
No, she didn't. Our teacher arrived and rang the bell. We didn't talk during class.
Did you pay attention?
Yes, we did. Sometimes we got tired, but we didn't give up. At break time, the boys played soccer on the school court. They didn't stay in the classroom.
Were they loud?
Yes, they were.
Didn't they get tired?
Yes, they did, but they still played. I sat with my friend and ate a snack. I didn't eat candy before lunch. My friend drank juice. It tasted sweet, but not too sweet. After the break, we returned to class. He didn't talk much, but I did.
Did he like to speak in class?
Sometimes he did.
Didn't you sometimes speak too much?
Yes, I did. The day ended at 12:30. We didn't feel tired yet. We walked home slowly.
Did your friend do his homework as soon as he got home?
Yes, he did. I usually waited until the evening. School wasn't always easy, but it was part of our lives. We didn't complain much.
Did you enjoy learning?
Yes, we did. Wasn't it important?
Yes, it was.
Like and subscribe to the channel.